So today the mission is
to find classic cars under 25,000.
What do you think we'll find?
I mean, I think we'll find a few.
Yeah, there's a few here, like right there.
They're under 20, actually under 20.
Let's get looking.
Let's do it.
An army truck, a legit army truck. How much do you think? Don't look.
Oh, I would have said way more than what I could see the price.
Oh, I'm gonna say 75,000. Way off. Oh wow! I never would have guessed that.
I would have gone as high as you. I just happened to see the price.
Can you imagine like driving that to work?
Evelyn said she needs it for her Barbies.
Yeah, right. How much are they asking for the truck here?
25.5.
So
Just barely over
just had. I'm sure you can negotiate down a little bit. Love this. Oh, really love this. Talk about a classic truck. This Fox Body Mustang just sold a little bit ago at auction for $14,000. Anniversary edition.
Gotcha. Minus 18,000 by 18,000 on it. Pontiac 5 Formula 1. 10.
This 54 Hudson under 20?
I just built her a big old swing set.
22.5 for 78 Trans Am.
Granddaughter, and I showed her their birthday yesterday. She gave her that for her birthday.
Oh, that's so nice.
Hey, you know me, I know everybody.
So we got 1985 Monte Carlo. This one is for sale for $25,000. A fantastic car from the 80s. Got the nice maroon cloth interior inside there. Nice paint job as well. We taking it?
Sure.
She said yes. Next, we got a 71 Ford Mustang convertible, and this one comes under our $25,000 mark. And it is at $24,000 for this one. This would be a fun car to drive. That'd be a fun little daily driver. I'd like that. Let's take a look in the inside here too while we're at it. See, the window is open. Oh yeah, look at the dash on that. Leather looks good too. Oh yeah. Here is the Firebird I showed you earlier in the video. It's sold for $13K. Needs a little bit of work, but still real nice. And this Camaro was the one that sold, oh, there we go, $16K. So I believe this is a 78 Toyota Celica. All I remember of Celicas is they weren't like cool looking cars. This one is awesome. Look at that, 13,000. It's got some design to it. I like that. I really like that. Now this might be my favorite vehicle under 20,000 here at Street Side Classics. Look at the paint job on this one. How great is that? It looks like a little bit of a sink back there. Oh my God, I love this. This is 1976 Dodge. This one is right under 20,000. This has got to be one of my favorites here for under 20,000. We have a 1993 Corvette. And the asking price on this one is right under $20,000. And right next to it, we have a 1996 Corvette. And I believe the asking price for this one is the exact same as the 93. And this Trans Am, wait till you see the sale price on this one at the auction. This one sold for $6,500. I mean, come on now. Look at this. That's great. They are asking $25 for this. It is dang near taller than I am. A 69 Ford. They're asking $15,000 for this one. Classic truck right up my alley. This would be an awesome daily driver. Look how awesome this Pontiac 2x2 is.
11.5, and now 12, 11.5, and now 12, and now 12, now 5. Here she goes.
I can't believe what this Corvette sold for. I know, like, usually I've seen it for sale like at different places, like mid to high teens. But this one at auction here in Greensboro sold for $8,000. Like, come on now. $8,000. You don't get more classic than this. I am not a Miata fan, but these two are well under the $25,000 price. This white one they are asking $10,000 for, and the red one they are asking $13,000 for. So if you're looking for an affordable car, fun car, these Miatas might be on your list. And the best vehicle might be this motorcycle from Orange County Choppers. Everyone remembers that show. I'm sure all of us watched it. And the asking price on this is $25,000. So this might be the best of all the vehicles here for the $25,000 price. How cool is this? I haven't seen one in person in a long time. Let me show you the specs real quick.